Page 24, A Riddle, or that Tumbalalaika, or whatever that is. I can't pronounce that tumble thing, but I can say riddle most of the time. Let's look it over. I see it's 1 page long, 4 lines with a repeat, so it's really twice as long. Treble and bass clef, 3/4 time signature, so there's 3 counts in the measure, but we're still counting quarter notes. I'm going to see there's a bunch of E flats on here. Now they give you the position and the little chart at the top. In my opinion, you're better off not looking at that. You want to be able to look at the music and figure out what you need from the music. Let's take it one hand at a time and make sure we understand what each hand is doing. The right hand starts here, or here. And when I get to the E flats, because third finger's on E, I'll go ahead and use third finger for the E flats. But the position is still here. I'm just going to adjust it when I need it, is all. So it's 1, 2, 3. Remember, dotted half notes the same as 3/4 notes? And it doesn't matter what the time signature is, it's always the same as 3/4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Get the idea? Okay. Once you got an idea what that right hand is doing, then try the left hand. The left hand's a bunch of broken chords. Here, so I'm here, and I'm going to use third finger on the here. Just a bunch of broken chords. I'm just shifting weight from finger to finger. Put the hands together. We're here, and here, and then here. Look out. Here, then here, here, here. You have to work on that a little bit. I get the hands and the fingers. I know which fingers are working at the same time in each hand. Then I go back through it carefully and I get rid of the hesitations. I can take it slow, but no hesitations. It has to be a steady beat. Find a speed nice and slow, whatever it takes, but no hesitations. Because you can speed it up later. Just all we want to do is get rid of the hesitations. Once I have that, then I think about the articulation. In the left hand, just connect it all. There's nothing marked. Actually, because there's nothing marked, you can do what you want. I could play them all disconnected if I want. There's nothing there. It's just a little easier right now if you'd connect them. In the right hand, we have the phrasing. Lift up. Lift up. Just lift up like taking a breath. Well, that means I'm connecting one hand and not the other. Like at the end of the first line, I'm here. I'm going to lift up in the right hand, but not the left. Lift up. See, I'm connecting this, but I'm lifting up here. That's good practice. We need to be able to do that. If you would like to try the left hand disconnected, you could try that too, just for fun. Because in the third measure, I'm connecting that, but not that. That's another way of trying it. It's good experience. You're going to need to be able to do it. However, for this lesson, I'm going to go ahead and connect the left hand. Then the dynamics. Well, F-P. Forte-piano. Loud-soft. So the first time we play it, we're going to play it loud, and that's the melody. Well, it's the right hand. The left hand's in the background. Keep this left hand soft, and because it's so busy, you'll tend to want to play it louder. Don't. Keep it in the background. Then when you repeat, now the right hand is soft. That means the left hand's very soft. We want to hear the melody. Then the speed, well, sort of fast. Again, it's a push and pull, a tug of war, sort of, between the quarter notes, which want to go slower, And the dotted half notes, which you want to speed it up. So it's a balance between them. So you find a speed here that works for you, and then practice. I mean, it's just a matter of time. You'll gain the control between your louds and soft and the independence of the hands you need to do this. Just give it time. I'm asking you to keep at it. It takes time, so just keep at it. Now, the last two measures at the bottom, look out. They threw you a curve. They do that. They give you these gotchas in the music you have to watch out for. A gotcha is a thing that'll get you if you're not careful. The last two measures here, that G is tied. You see that tie? You don't play it again. You just add the here. Here. So they're all down here, but the G's tied. Careful on that. Let's play this together very slowly to check and make sure we have the notes and rhythms okay. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play both hands about the same. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms, just to make sure you don't have any wrong notes or rhythms anywhere. I am going to do the repeat, so I'll give us 3 counts, and let's do it together slowly. 1, ready, go.